Back at it in a 2005 350Z DE. Got a check engine light. Figure out what was wrong with it. Why I got a check engine light. It was a P0300 random misfire. Checked our spark plugs, changed the spark plugs, and cylinder number 5 got an oil leak. Might have to change out the coil pack, but we're gonna do the valve cover and the coil pack. And also I got some Z1 spacers and some Hitachi's coil packs. So that's gonna be in our install video on the next one. And my 350Z is at 114, almost 115 mileage. Still pretty brand new for a 2005. Don't really drive it on like that. I also got this little carbon fiber bezel I put on, you know, and another carbon fiber vent. 6-speed, you know, Nismo shift knob, you know. It's a nice car, beautiful car. So stay tuned on my next video. I'm gonna be installing the valve cover and Z1 spacer and the coil pack, and maybe get some new spark plugs, even though I just replaced them. But you know, worth to take a check and replace if I need to. Thank you for watching. Next time you'll see the install. Have a great day.